Drawing arches can be challenge enough, but even more challenging is when we see these arches, these semicircular shapes, at some sort of perspective angle. Is there an easy way to draw these and have them look accurate? Let me show you a way we can understand how perspective impacts the shape of an arch and see them and draw them with greater accuracy. Key to understanding this is to think of a circle as being in a square. Let's just make it a little more square, and seeing each quadrant of the circle as sitting in one of the 4 quarters of our square. And that's because it's easier to imagine a square in a perspective angle than a circle. So let's have a square now that we're looking side on at it. Now we know that the center of a square is in the diagonal. So let's find the center of our square in perspective, and it's here. So this is the center of our square. And if we find eye level, let's find the center line in the other direction. So these top 2 quadrants are now here and here. And this makes it much easier for us to draw the arch, because we can draw it in 2 separate sections, 2 separate quadrants of a circle. And what this makes clear, firstly, is that the center of the arch in perspective is not halfway, because foreshortening means that the center is further away from us. It also shows that the arch is not symmetrical. We get a very different view here to on the other side. It's a lot rounder on the side that's closer to us. Let's look at a very different example. And if we have a row, we follow this pattern down the line. The most helpful thing in understanding this is that we can see that we don't have a symmetrical curvature. We're not just compressing our arch, but we're kinking it as well. And that kinking, that shifting onto the diagonal, needs to show itself in our curves.
G'day, I'm Stephen Travers. I hope this has been helpful. It's the principle of understanding what's happening that I think then helps us to observe in our reference in front of us or in a photo what's happening, and to see it more clearly, and therefore have a better chance of drawing it more accurately. But whatever you draw and however your arches in perspective turn out, make sure you have fun. I'll see you next time. Bye.